Morning, one and all. So, last class, math class is over just now, and now we are going to discuss some more problems regarding mechanical properties of fluids under physics class. So, yesterday oka problem chesnamamma. So, regarding mechanical properties of fluids, and next we are moving to the second problem. Write down the second problem. What is the force? What is the force on the base of a tank, on the base of a tank of area has been given here as 1.5 meters square area when it is filled with water up to a height has been given here as 1 meter. So 1 meter ichinaramma ikkada. So what is the force? Force in this case we have to calculate the force where the area is 1.5 meters square and when it is filled with water the height has been increased to 1 meter. Okay, 1 meter increased. So next the hint given was density of water. Density of water is given as 10 cube kg per meter cube, and P naught pressure at constant value is given as 10 power 5 pascals, and next G value is given directly as 10 meter second power minus 2. G ikkada direct ga ichinaramma. So we have to take directly G as 10 meter per second square. Otherwise, we can take G value as 9.8. Okay. So solution for this one is here force we have to calculate. Height has been given. So what are the terms and what is the formula that we are going to use in this case is formula P is equal to P naught plus H rho G. So this is the formula we are going to use when we have to calculate the force. So P is equal to P naught has been given here and plus H rho G. H is nothing but 1 meter and density of water is 10 cube and G is also given here. Directly we have to substitute all the values. Then we can find the pressure P naught value. So 10 power 5 plus 1 into rho. Rho is nothing but 10 cube into G value is taken as 10. So therefore P is equal to, after substituting all the values, 10 power 5 plus 10 power 4, and therefore P value is 1.1. So 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 into 10. So this is equal to 1.1 into 10 power 5 pascal. So this is the answer for the force we have calculated. And next, what is the force? Just now we have calculated the pressure, but the force is given by force F is equal to P into A. So force another formula pressure multiplied by area. Okay, pressure multiplied by area. So that's why pressure is just now we have calculated as 1.1 10 power 5 and the area is 1.5 meters square. So therefore force is equal to 1.65 into 10 power 5 is the force which is measured in Newton. Okay, which is measured in Newton. Therefore, if we have to calculate the force in case of area and height has been given, and this is the hint given in the problem, which is nothing but density of water and pressure at constant value and G value, then we have to consider this formula P is equal to P naught plus H rho G under mechanical properties of fluid. So this is the problem. You can note down this problem. So force will be 1.65 into 10 power 5 Newton. So this was the problem. Sir? So this was the problem, note down. So here you have to note down here. So P pressure is equal to P naught plus. If it is over, then you can say yes. Okay. So I point yes and cheppandamma. So pressure P is equal to P naught plus H rho G, and P is equal to 10 power 5 plus 1 into 10 cube. If you are substituting here, then force will be, in this case, force is F is equal to P into A, and which is given by 1.5, and therefore F goes to 1.65 into 10 power 5 Newton. Okay. If it is over, then I'll remove this one. Okay. Next, mechanical properties of fluids. Some more problems, few problems we'll do, and then we'll go to the next topic, thermal properties of matter. So under this one, second problem is, note down the second problem. So what are the dimensions of, so this is very important, very important. What are the dimensions of, Reynolds number? So this is very important, Reynolds number. So what is Reynolds number, and how you are going to calculate the dimensions for this one? Very important, solution. Just dimensions you have to calculate for the Reynolds number. Very important. So note down, Reynolds number is, so we know that Reynolds formula, you know, Reynolds number. So Reynolds number, R is equal to, formula you note down, R is equal to rho into V naught D by eta. So this is the formula for Reynolds number. R is equal to rho V naught into D by eta, where rho is the density. So rho is the density and V naught is the velocity, and then D is the diameter. D is the diameter, and eta is nothing but, you are taking it as coefficient of viscosity of fluids, So this is the one. Find out the dimensions for Reynolds number. How do you substitute for this one, and tell me the dimensions of Reynolds number. Reynolds number dimensions kanukondamma. You know very well density. What is the density dimension? Note down, note chesi nak cheppandi. What is the answer for this one? For density, rho. What are the dimensions for density? ml power minus 3. ml power minus 3, sir. ml power minus 3. So these are the dimensions for density, and velocity. You know already, for velocity LT power minus 1, and diameter D is taken as L. Okay. And coefficient of viscosity eta is ml power minus 1 and T power minus 1. Substitute chesi cheppandamma. What are the dimensions for Reynolds number? Quick. So what are the dimensions for this one? Find out, ma. Find out the dimensions for Reynolds number. If rho is density having ml power minus 3, V naught is the velocity LT power minus 1, and D is the diameter L, and eta is the coefficient of viscosity, and it goes to ml power minus 1, T power minus 1. Find out, all substituting all the dimensions in the Reynolds number. What is the dimension? Find out, ma. Kanukondi. Reynolds number dimensions kanukondi. Substitute cheyandi for rho. Substituting for rho, ml power minus 3, and then LT power minus 1, and then D diameter is L by eta is ml power minus 1 and T power minus 1. Find out. Kanukondamma. So here you can cancel mm, and L T power minus 1, T power minus 1, and then L power minus 3 is there. One number you can cancel minus 2, and here L and L. So these two are also cancelled. Therefore, M power 0, L power 0, T power 0. So dimensions are, write down the dimensions for R, ma. Write down the dimensions for R. All the quantities, physical quantities are cancelled. Therefore, M naught, L power naught, T power naught. So these are the dimensions for Reynolds number. Very important, ma. Note down. So find out the dimensions for Reynolds number, because R is a dimensionless quantity. So R is, because R is the dimensionless quantity, physical quantity. Dimensions anevi undavanamata. So what are the dimensions, ma? Dimensions are, note down the dimensions. If it is over, then I will remove this one. Okay. So dimensionless. Reynolds number is dimensionless, or directly you can write this as M power naught, L power naught, and T power naught. Okay. Board is not clear. Okay. We'll check. Board is not clear. Okay, ma. Now, ippudamma, ippudu chudandi. So now, okay, ma. Very. Now it is visible, ma. Okay. Note down. Clear? Okay. Note down, ma. So dimensions for Reynolds number, note down, and if it is over, then we'll go for next problem, and then mechanical properties of fluids. Next one. Over, ma. Next. What should be the next? We will remove this one. Okay. Next one. Write down, ma. Next one. What should be the average velocity? What should be the average velocity of water? Average velocity of water in a tube of diameter ichinaramma ikkada. So diameter is 2 centimeters. Diameter 2 centimeters. So that the flow is, so 2 points ichinaramma ikkada. So in 2 points we have to calculate the density. So one is laminar density we have to calculate, and second one is turbulent case we have to calculate the diameter. Here the viscosity is given as eta value viscosity of water is 0.01001 pascals. Okay, so eta of water has been given as viscosity of water is 0.001 pascals. So and next the R value is, the Reynolds number also given here. Reynolds number R is equal to 2000, and next case is 3000. So two cases kanukovallamma ikkada. So one is for laminar and other for turbulent. So first we will calculate the diameter in case of laminar case. So first case lo manamu R vachesi Reynolds number is taken as 2000, and in next case 3000. So first we will give the formula for streamline flow. So for streamline flow or Reynolds laminar number, streamline flow R is equal to, R is given as 2000 Reynolds number, and now velocity is nothing but eta into R by rho into D. So this is the simplest formula for calculation should be velocity of water. To know the velocity of water, the simplest formula is V is equal to eta R by rho into D. Directly you have to substitute eta value as 0.001 and Reynolds number is 2000 by rho density. So density of water is 10 cube. If it is not given in the problem, you have to consider this as 10 cube and dense diameter. D is the diameter. Diameter in the problem is 2 centimeters. D is 2 centimeters, which is converted into meters by dividing with 100. So the diameter is 0.2. So 0.2. Calculate chesi cheppandamma, what is the velocity of water in case of laminar? Laminar case తీసుకున్నప్పుడు what is the velocity? Find out ma. Find out. We have substituted all the values. అన్ని values మనం substitute చేసినాం ఇక్కడ. So okay ma, చెప్పండి. So what is the velocity of water here after cancellation? You can cancel 10 cube and this one. So 2 also you can cancel 0.1. Therefore the answer will be 0.1 is the meter second power minus 1. So this is the answer for the first case, laminar, and similarly for second case. So for second case, velocity is given by same formula. Same formula is kondama eta R by rho into D. Substituting here eta value, same viscosity of water, but Reynolds number is 3000. Ikkada 3000 తీసుకోవాలా. Reynolds number is taken as 3000 and therefore substituting all the values 0.01 into Reynolds number is 3000 by rho is 10 cube and diameter is taken as 0.2. Okay, substitute cheyandamma all the values substituting. What is the answer for this one? Velocity of water. Nobody is answering. Nobody is answering. Yesterday all the students has answered, but today nobody is answering. Cheppandamma answer cheppandi. Substitute chesi we have substituted all the values. So just we have to cancel cheyandi. Cancel chesin tarvata then we are going to get 0.15 meter second power minus 1. So two cases are there. 0.15 is the answer ma for velocity of water in the second case, and here the Reynolds number is taken as 3. In the first case it is 2. Okay, so these are the two cases we have calculated. If it is over, then we will go for next one ma. Not 0.06 ma, 0.15. 0.15 is the answer. Okay, next over. If it is over, then we will go for next one. Under mechanical properties of fluids. Today we will complete this mechanical properties of fluids and we enter into next topic, mechanical properties. Under mechanical properties, thermal properties of water is also there. So next we will move to the thermal properties after few problems. So next one. So we have completed. Next we will move to the thermal properties of matter. Heading petkondamma. So under thermal properties, next topic is thermal properties of matter. So thermal properties of matter. Next topic is thermal properties of matter. Thermal properties of matter. So note down ma, thermal properties of matter. Under this one, coefficient of real expansion. What is the formula to find the coefficient of real expansion? What is the formula ma? So I am just giving the introduction for the thermal properties of matter. So under this one, coefficient of real expansion gamma R. Gamma R is equal to V2 minus V1 by V1 into T2 minus T1. So here This is the formula for coefficient of real expansion when T1 and T2 are the temperatures given. Then percentage, how to calculate the coefficient of apparent expansion. Next one is coefficient of apparent expansion. So this is the formula for real expansion. So we are denoting with gamma R. And next, apparent expansion, coefficient of apparent expansion. So in this case, what is the formula means gamma A. Gamma A is equal to V2 minus V1 by V1 into T2 minus T1. So this is the formula for coefficient of apparent expansion. Like this, we have to take the formulas under thermal properties of matter. And next, we will move to the first problem regarding thermal properties of matter. So first problem note cheskondama. So these are the simplest formulae we are going to use in case of thermal properties of matter. So first problem, a block of which is floating or floats in water, which is floating in water at 4 degrees Celsius, so that 4 degrees Celsius, so that 0.984 of its height is under water, So it is under water at what temperature? At what temperature of water will block the sink in water. So this was the problem given, ma. So here real expansion is given as the coefficient of real expansion value is 2.1, 10 power minus 4 per degree Celsius. So this was the coefficient of real expansion, and this is the problem given here, ma. So density of water. So solution under solution D1. So this is the density of water at 4 degrees Celsius is given, and D2 is the density of water at T degrees Celsius, and D3. So D3 is the density of water at T degrees Celsius. Like this, here we have to consider 3 cases, ma. 3 cases consider cheyala. So the suitable formula for this one is, easily we have to calculate by this formula, D2 is equal to D1 by 1 plus gamma into delta T. So this is the simplest formula, D2. D2 is equal to D1 by 1 plus gamma into delta T. So with this D1 emichna raskondama. So D1 has given as 1 gram per cc, and D3 is given as 0.984. Here D2 is equal to D3 because both the densities are equal in case of water. Therefore, D2 is nothing but D3. So just we have to substitute all the values in this case. Substitute cheyandama. Therefore, D2 is equal to formula. So D2 is equal to D1. D1 ento chindi 1 by 1 plus gamma. Real expansion, coefficient of real expansion is 2.1 into 10 power minus 4, and temperature is D1 and D2. D1 and D2 temperatures is kondama. So delta T is nothing but the difference between the two densities temperature. Therefore, T2 minus T1 are T minus 4. So here delta T is nothing but T2 minus T1. So T2 is 4, T2 is T, and T1 is taken as T. So 4 minus T. Delta T is nothing but 4 minus T. So therefore, D2 is equal to, substituting all the values. So what is the answer for temperature, ma? So D2 ikkada D2 is equal to D3 kabatti D2 value substitute cheyandama. Directly you can substitute here for D2. D2 is equal to 0.984. 0.984. Okay, 0.984 substitute చేయండి because d2 is equal to d3. d2 is equal to d3, therefore we are substituting directly the d3 value as 0.984, which is equal to 1 by 1 plus 2.1 into 10 power minus 4 into t minus 4. Okay, cross multiply cheyandama, cross multiply chesi t value kanukondi. So when you cross multiply this one, cross multiply cheyandi, then we'll get 1 by inverse. Inverse also you can take. If it is difficult to calculate this one, inverse తీసుకోండమ్మా. ఇట్లా క్రాస్ మల్టిప్లై చేయడం డిఫికల్ట్ అయితే ఇన్వర్స్ తీసుకోండి. ఇన్వర్స్ అంటే 1 by 0.984 is equal to 1 plus 2.4 into 10 power minus 4 into t minus 4. So next we can take 1 to the left side. Therefore ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది చూడండి, 1 by 0.984 value is calculate చేయడమా కింద. So which is equal to 1.01626. సో ఇక్కడ మీరు 1 by 0.984 చేస్తే 1.01626 వస్తుంది. Then 1 plus this is as it is, ఇది ఇట్లే పెట్టేసేయండి, 10 power minus 4 t minus 4. తర్వాత సింప్లిఫై చేయండి అమ్మా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద t వాల్యూ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్? ఈ 1 ని ఇట్ సైడ్ తీసుకురండి అమ్మా. 1 ని ఇట్ సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తే మీకు ఏమొస్తుంది చూసి, then we can calculate t value directly. So t value ఏమొస్తుంది చూడండి అమ్మా. So t minus 4 is equal to 77.43 degrees Celsius. So t minus 4 value calculate cheyandamma. T minus 4 after substituting, t minus 4 is equal to 77.43 degrees Celsius, or t is equal to 77.43 plus 4 add cheyandi. So then we will get the temperature T as 81.43 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature we have to calculate. So 81 point వస్తుంది చూడమ్మా. So this was the problem under thermal properties of matter when you are taking the D1, D2, D3 three densities తీసుకొని మనం calculate చేసినప్పుడు, when the coefficient of real expansion is given, so ఇచ్చినప్పుడు D2 ఫార్ములా తీసుకోండమ్మా. D2 is equal to D1 by 1 plus gamma into delta T. Okay, this was the answer. T temperature is T is equal to ఎంత వచ్చిందమ్మా, 81.43 degrees Celsius. And next note down ma, అయిపోయింటే చెప్పండి, then we'll remove and then we'll go for next problem under thermal properties of matter. So next one, అయిపోయిందమ్మా, ఓవరా? ఓవర్. Okay, next we'll remove this one and next we'll go for next problem under thermal properties of matter. Okay, next one, note down ma, note cheskondi. A sphere of diameter, sphere తీసుకుంటున్నారమ్మా ఇక్కడ, diameter is 7 centimeters, diameter is 7 centimeters and the mass is 266.5 grams and floats in a bath of liquid, in a bath of liquid in a bath of liquid at 0 degree Celsius. At 0 degree Celsius, as the temperature is raised, temperature ne increase chestunarama ikkada. So if the temperature is raised, the sphere sinks at temperature of 35 degree Celsius. 35 degree Celsius దగ్గర temperature ఏమైతుందంటే it sinks. Then density of liquid is given as density of liquid at 0 degree Celsius is 1.527 grams per centimeter cube. Find the, so em kanukomanaru ikkada raskondamma, find the coefficient of em kanukomanaru raskovala, coefficient of cubical expansion of the liquid. For cubical expansion of the liquid we have to calculate here. So coefficient of cubical expansion, what is the formula to find the coefficient of expansion? Here the sphere is given, diameter ichinaramma ikkada. So here in the problem ఏమేమి ఇచ్చినారు రాసుకోండమ్మా, diameter is 7 centimeters and how to calculate the radius ఎట్లా కనుక్కోవచ్చమ్మా? So radius is nothing but diameter by 2 and that means 7 by 2 centimeters. So in the problem లో ఒకసారి చూస్తే మీరు అన్ని సెంటీమీటర్స్ లో ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి directly we can take in terms of centimeters. That's why we are not converting into meters. Okay nama, meters lo convert cheyadam ledu because anni kuda centimeters lo ichinaru kabatti. Next mass is given as 266.5 grams. So how to calculate density at 0 degree Celsius? So density at 0 degree Celsius, rho is equal to, we know that formula, m by v, mass per volume. So what is the volume of sphere ma? What is the volume of sphere? So volume of sphere formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So here radius, ikkada radius vastundi. Okay nama? So here you are going to get the radius. So volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So we are first calculating the density at 0 degree Celsius and therefore we are taking the formula rho is equal to m by v. So rho is equal to, mass is given directly, you can substitute 266.5 and volume is 4 by 3, pi means 22 by 7 you can take, or 3.14 kuda teesukochu. And next radius ఎంత ఉందమ్మా, 7 by 2 whole cube. Degree Celsius. తర్వాత మనము cubical expansion, coefficient of cubical expansion మనం calculate చేసి. Okay, directly చెప్పండమ్మా, what is the density? So how to calculate the density? Here rho is equal to 66.5 substitute చేయండి and volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 we have substituted and 7 by 2 whole cube. Chesi naku density cheppandamma, what is the answer for density? So it is nothing but 1.483 grams per centimeter cube at 0 degree Celsius. So why we have calculated this density means, this is, we are taking the temperature at different temperature. Now we are going to calculate the coefficient of cubical expansion. So coefficient of cubical expansion calculate cheyalante, So what is the formula we are taking for the calculation of coefficient of cubical expansion is rho naught is equal to rho t into 1 plus gamma into delta t. So this was the direct formula, direct formula for the calculation of coefficient of cubical expansion. So rho naught. So what is the value for rho naught? Here what is in the problem? So density of liquid is given as 1.527, 1.527 substitute cheyandi, and just now we have calculated the density at temperature. So it was 1.483 and 1 plus gamma ante manaku teliyadu annamata. Now we are going to calculate gamma value and temperature at 35 degrees దగ్గర మనం calculate చేయాలి కాబట్టి 35 delta t. So directly substitute chesi answer cheppandamma how to calculate this one. So 1.527 by 1.483 chesi next 1 plus 35 into gamma. So calculate cheyandamma. What is the value for gamma? So what is the value for gamma coefficient of cubical expansion? So now this goes to 0.00083 per degree Celsius. Gamma is equal to, after calculation, the coefficient of cubical expansion is 0.0083 per degree Celsius. So this is the coefficient of cubical expansion. ఎప్పుడైతే మనకు T temperature 0 degrees 35 degrees ఇచ్చినారో, then first we have to calculate, because here sphere ఇచ్చినారు కాబట్టి, so volume of sphere. So volume of sphere directly we are taking it as 4/3 pi r cube. So here diameter ఇచ్చినాడమ్మా, not radius. Radius ఇవ్వలేదు, directly diameter ఇచ్చినారు. So that's why we have substituted, first we have calculated the density at temperature T. So this is the formula, ma note cheskondi. Directly we have to we can do this problem directly with the formula rho naught is equal to rho t into 1 plus gamma into delta t. Raskondamma, first note cheskondi. If you don't know the answer, then you can note down the procedure and the formula. Problem first note cheskondamma. Problem note cheskoni. After that, what is the formula you are going to use? Okay. So answer will be 0.0083 per degree Celsius. And next we move on to the next problem. Note cheskonte over and cheppandamma leda okay. Okay. Aipointe okay cheppandi. Next we will go for the next problem under thermal properties of matter. Thermal properties of matter. Okay. Next problem, simplest problem. Now we will do simple problem. So what is last problem? Note cheskondi. For the today's class, what is the temperature? What is the temperature for which? What is the temperature for which the reading on Kelvin and Fahrenheit scales are same. Both the scales are same తీసుకొని, both the scales in Kelvin and Fahrenheit scales తీసుకొని, what is the temperature? Temperature we have to calculate, ma. So this is the solution, ma. So K minus formula is 273.15 by 100 in Kelvin, which is converted into Fahrenheit by F minus 32 by 180. So this is the formula we have to calculate the temperature in case of kelvins and Fahrenheit, formula రాసుకోండమ్మా. K minus 273.15 by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180. So in this case, let us take that K is equal to F is equal to X. X అని తీసుకోండమ్మా, so that we can calculate X value. X value calculate చేసినారంటే then automatically it is nothing but the temperature. Okay. So then calculate చేసి substitute చేయండమ్మా. X minus 273.15 by 100 is equal to X minus 32 by 180. So this was the problem. We are taking the temperature, substitute cheyandama, then X, so you can cancel here, and therefore X minus 273.15 10x. Here 18 will come, 18 to multiply cheyandi, ikkada 10 times X minus 32. So after calculation you are going to get X as what is the answer ma? 574. Very good. So 574.6 is the Fahrenheit, degree Fahrenheit is the X value. Okay. So this is the answer. Very good. Somebody is answering. Okay. So X is equal to 574.6 is the answer. When we have to calculate the temperature and for the Kelvin and Fahrenheit. Okay. And next problem. The time on the next problem. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss ma. Tomorrow we'll discuss some more problems. Today we'll take 10 minutes.